Transform your windows in one afternoon without sewing. With Traceable Designer, you won't believe how easy it is to make beautiful custom valances that look professionally designed. This easy-to-use no-sew blossom-style valance kit includes reusable traceable forms used to make beautiful custom valances featuring unique flower accents. Creating flower connector panels is easy. Select pre-matched fabric quarters to create your designs. Mix fabric colors and prints to express your unique design style. Traceable Designer Blossom Valance Kit includes a traditional tulip style, lively daisy design, an abstract iris flower, and a unique wildflower center panel. Select valance fabric to match your decor, then follow just a few easy no-sew steps. Use the included fusible fabric backing to add lining to your fabric section. Trace the no-sew valance design form to create the valance center and side panels. Follow the traced line to cut out your valance panels and add easy iron-on trim. Use the traceable style forms to make unique flower accents. Simply follow the numbers to assemble and fuse your blossom designs together. Attach Velcro fasteners and hang using a standard metal curtain rod. Complete your DIY home decorating statement with beautiful no-sew table accents. Use the table accent design forms to make matching table accents. With Traceable Designer reusable home decorating tools, everything you need to express your unique decorating style is always right at your fingertips. When custom no-sew decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.